Alright guys, welcome back. Today is a very exciting day because we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. Today is launch day, the first day they're available, and I have one here that we're going to be opening up. But I gotta be honest with you, I have not been this excited to unbox a phone in about 3 years, so if I end up sounding like a little girl throughout this video, I apologize for that. But before we get into actually unboxing the phone, I gotta address something real quick because I know my regular viewers are gonna ask about this. Historically, I have not been a fan of the display notch on the newer iPhones, being the X and newer. But at this point, I'm pretty much over it because I have been using the 4.7-inch iPhone design for almost 6 years now, and at this point I'm pretty much just completely bored out of my mind with it. So don't really care about that anymore. I just wanted to nail that down out of the way. But this is a iPhone 12 Pro. Of course, this is the 256 gig blue model, as you might be able to see, the new Pacific blue color. I've wanted them to make a flagship blue iPhone forever. You might notice the box is quite a bit smaller than your typical iPhone box, and you'll see that in just a second, the reasoning for that. But speaking of the box, just look at this thing. This is super cool. I haven't really had the chance to look at a black box like this because I typically buy the gold phones, but this looks super cool with the black and blue just theme you got going here on the box. Let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So we just have our handy little pull tab here. Go ahead and pull this out. Look at that. Slide this off. And now we'll open her up. Wow. Holy crap, guys. That color is beautiful. I am in love with that. Of course, blue's my favorite color, but man, that is so nice. It looks just as good in person as it does in photos, maybe even a little better. There you go, guys. There she is. So let's go ahead and pull this phone out real quick. Here we are. As you can see on the front, we just have this little protector here. It's a little bit different than typical, but it just shows you, where the buttons are and such. Let's go ahead and do the ceremonial peel. Oh yeah. So there we are, guys, our iPhone 12 Pro. I am super happy that the square sides are back. This is something that I didn't realize I missed as much as I do now. This is very reminiscent of the iPhone 5 or maybe the new iPad Pro in terms of design. You may also notice that the screen edges are completely flat. There's no more like 2.5D glass type stuff going on here, so that's pretty cool. Man, this blue is just something else. I am super hyped, super pumped for this. Anyways, let's go ahead and set the phone to the side real quick and we'll get to what's in the box now. As you might be able to tell, you can see that we only have a USB-C to Lightning cable and our usual books and stuff here. If we open these up, you can see this is the SIM-free model. So we just have our SIM ejection tool here. We got some regulatory stuff and one Apple sticker. So we're down to one now instead of two. That's kind of wild. File this stuff to the side real quick. And as you can see, we are missing both the earpods and the 20-watt USB-C charger. Those are now sold separately. It is what it is. I'm not really too upset about it. Apple's reasoning for that is that most people already have iPhone chargers and they can cut down on like environmental type stuff by doing this, which I mean, whatever. I'm not really bothered by it because I have like 15 billion iPhone chargers, so it is what it is. Some people are upset about it, but it's the way it goes. So now that we've taken a look at the phone, I just want to mention that I do have a couple of cases here for it. So I have this nice clear case from Rink that I'm gonna try and use, and I also have the Humix shockproof case, which is very similar to the type of case that I had on my SE. So I'll probably end up using this one long term, but I want to give the clear one a try because man, that blue. All right, let's get to the business. Let's go ahead and turn her on. So we just have our side button. I'll go ahead and press and hold. And it should fire up. Yep, there we go. Got an Apple logo here. Wow, this phone is absolutely gorgeous. Holy crap. As you can see, the sides do collect fingerprints pretty easily, so oh well. Again, it's going to be in a case, so I'll just clean it real good before I put it in there. But as you can see, we have a hello. And that's about gonna write the story for this review, or unboxing, guys. I mean, the review is coming in a few weeks probably, so, but that's about all I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and restore my backup. And there you are. There's an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.